Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Baby Girls Bodysuits is probably one of the most essential items every parent needs in their little one's wardrobe. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 best baby essentials that every parent should consider investing in. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best baby essentials we choose for you. Number 5. Our breathable non-woven fabrics are non-smelly and non-toxic, ensuring your safety. The elegant and simple design is perfect for any room. With larger compartments and more PVC pockets, our storage cabinet can hold high items up to 10.22 inches. The mesh windows provide ventilation and visibility. All compartments have bottom, front, and side supports for great loading weight. They maintain their perfect shape even under heavy weight. Perfect for storing cosmetics, baby essentials, kitchen supplies, and more. It's a simple and useful storage solution for any room. Our storage cabinet is easy to install with universal steel hooks. We offer 100% customer satisfaction, so you can contact us anytime with questions or concern. What we like. If you are looking for safe and high-quality baby storage, the Univivi Door Hanging Organizer is the perfect choice. With its breathable non-woven fabrics, it ensures the safety of your baby's items. It also offers large capacity compartments with mesh windows for ventilation, allowing you to see through and keep items dry. Plus, with its strong support, it can handle even heavy loads without losing its shape. What people say.
Plenty of storage spaces made well too, quickly shipped. It's sturdy and so far it gives in so much storage for the baby products. I'm glad this product is worth every penny. Bought to store diapers, wipes and extra burp rags and clothes for our newborn. Super easy to set up and love the size. Definitely worth the buy.
Number 4. Embark on the adventure of parenthood with KeaBabies Urban Burp Cloths. Stay close, fresh, and comfy with your little one, and cherish more bonding moments. Our urban burping cloths offer optimal absorption with 3 layers of protection, including GOTS certified organic cotton. Keep yourself dry and comfortable during burping session. Our organic baby burp cloths feature a unique figure 8 design, providing full shoulder coverage to prevent slipping. Sized at 21x10, they are perfect for baby girls and boys. Hand-picked for their softness, our organic cotton baby towels are gentle on sensitive skin, thick, fluffy, and highly absorbent. They ensure mess-free burping experiences. Designed to complement any outfit, our burp rags are suitable for both baby girls and boys. Stay clean and stylish all day long with KeaBabies baby bibs and burp cloth. What we like? For ultimate comfort and protection during burping, the organic burp cloths from KeaBabies should be your top choice. With its 5-pack organic burp cloth set, you'll always have a fresh and absorbent cloth at hand. The 3 layers of protection, including quality fleece and GOTS certified organic cotton, ensure optimum absorption and prevent slipping. Plus, the figure 8 full shoulder coverage provides extra convenience and comfort for both baby girls and boys. What people say.
Nice size and good quality. They are soft, should absorb spit up and dribbles nicely. I have several different types of burp rags and these are by far my favorite. They are nice and wide and very absorbent. These are pretty amazing at dealing with spit up. The spit up doesn't go anywhere and actually gets absorbed into the cloth rather than soaking through.
Number 3. This adorable Caddy organizer is designed with style and functionality in mind. It's soft to touch and built with quality fabric, perfect for organizing diapering essentials. Sized perfectly at 15x10x7 inches, this Caddy is large enough to store all baby diaper sizes and nursing needs. The gender-neutral gray color is perfect for both moms and dads. This portable Caddy adds style to your changing table or nursery. It's lightweight, durable, and can be easily carried around the house or on travel trips. This unisex diaper Caddy makes a practical and versatile gift for baby showers or newborn registries. It's a must-have for organizing baby essentials. Say goodbye to messy diaper changes with this organizer. It keeps all your baby essentials within arm's reach for hassle-free diaper changes anytime, anywhere. What we like. If you're looking for a stylish and functional diaper Caddy organizer, look no further than the Lily Miles Baby Diaper Caddy. Its adorable design and high-quality fabric make it a perfect addition to any nursery room. With its perfect size and removable dividers, you can easily organize all your baby essentials in one place. Whether you need it for diapering, breastfeeding, or storing blankets, this versatile Caddy has got you covered. What people say.
Perfectly fits all needs for baby. Very sturdy. I love the seersucker style and all the room to put things in. The Caddy is perfect for what I needed it for. It holds a lot and has lots of pockets. Great value for the money and so simple to use. The materials it's made of is really nice and durable. I love it. Awesome Caddy. It is well made, sturdy and spacious.
Number 2. Our HEPA 13 filter captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, mold, and other impurities, while plasma ion technology projects ions for easy breathing. Filters up to 630 SQFT per hour, exchanges 126 SQFT 5 times per hour for cleaner air in minutes. Automatically adjusts fan speed based on air quality with digital readout and light band for easy monitoring. Activated carbon filter reduces unpleasant smells, refreshing your space. Light sensor turns off displays and lowers noise for quiet sleep. Eco mode reduces energy consumption by cycling fan on and off based on air quality. High quality filter lasts up to 12 months, easy to replace with instant air purification replacement filter. From the makers of Instant Pot, revolutionizing the way you live and breathe with cleaner air and peace of mind. What we like. For clean and fresh air in your baby's room, the Instant HEPA Quiet Air Purifier is a must-have. Its advanced air cleaning technology, including a HEPA 13 filter and plasma ion technology, ensures that 99.97% of impurities are captured. With its ability to filter up to 630 SQFT per hour, you can enjoy cleaner air in just minutes. The auto mode adjusts the fan speed according to air quality, and the activated carbon filter layer helps reduce unpleasant smells. What people say.
I like to run it at high speed in the common area. Fortunately, with an open house plan, this device clears the air quickly and effectively. When you leave it on auto mode, it is quiet enough to sleep with it on in the bedroom. Light can be turned off as well. Really enjoyed the product. The machine goes off when the room is dark, unless you override and set to a specific level. It has cleaned the air very well as I no longer smell or sense the dust. When it does senses a smell, it will turn on really high and it does get loud and the light turns red to clean the air, but it doesn't last long. You barely hear it humming when it's running normally. Very happy with it.
Number 1. Get all the grooming tools you need for your newborn baby's daily needs in one convenient kit. From nail clippers to medicine dropper, this set has it all. Softly brush your baby's hair and massage their scalp with this gentle brush for a healthy and cheerful baby. The comb is perfect for grooming and relaxation. Designed with high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, this grooming kit ensures safety and reassurance for parents. Keep your baby groomed and healthy with peace of mind. Lightweight and comes with a tote bag for easy organization. This kit is perfect for use at home or on the go. Keep your baby looking their best wherever you are. The ideal present for expecting moms or first-time parents, this gift set is practical and creative. Give the gift of good grooming and health for the newest addition to the family. What we like. When it comes to your baby's healthcare and grooming needs, the Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit has you covered. With its 26 essential items, including nail clippers, hairbrush, finger toothbrush, and more, you'll have everything you need for daily grooming. The soft baby brush and comb provide gentle care for your baby's hair, while the earwax remover ensures safe visibility. Rest assured that this kit is made with high-quality materials and is completely safe for your little one. What people say.
There are some great useful items that make me glad I bought this before I had my newborn. The nail grinder is amazing. You need AA batteries. I didn't realize that it had the electric nail file, which is amazing. Great product for the price. The nail file itself pays for the whole kit. Muy lindas y de buena calidad.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.